Is your Canon camera stuck in live view mode and won't turn off? This can happen due to a firmware issue, button malfunction, or power problems. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix your Canon camera when it's stuck in live view mode. Let's get it fixed right away. Solution 1. Press the live view button again. So keep pressing the live view button. Sometimes pressing the live view button toggles it off. Try pressing it multiple times if you're still facing the same issue. Then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Hard reset. Open the battery compartment. Remove the battery and the SD card. After that, wait for about 1 to 2 minutes and then reinsert the battery and SD card. Now turn on the camera. Solution 3. Check battery charge. Open the battery compartment. Remove the battery. Now plug the battery in to charge. A low battery can cause unusual behavior. Charge the battery fully or try with a different battery if available. And that's how you can fix the Canon camera stuck in live view mode. I hope this helps. If it worked for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.